say and talk about the perfect hot rod sound, Michael, that's exactly what's happening here.
Yes.
The custom stainless steel headers and overall combination that has happened, the upgrade under the engine, is the reason that we can hear this beautiful rumble, which is why we just had to take it for a drive. This is just brilliant. Cubic inches, big block V8, combined with the Holley EFI system is just the perfect combination of performance, fuel efficiency, and that rumble that you hot rodders absolutely love. And this is why you sell classic cars, Michael,
Yes,
isn't it?
Absolutely.
Let's take a closer look at the 1950 Ford F1 for sale here at Classic Cars of Sarasota. Well, I hope you all enjoyed that. I certainly did, and I know my hair did as well. The power behind this was absolutely brilliant. Introducing the 1950 Ford F1, an absolutely breathtaking Restomod. Starts all under the hood. Not every day you're going to find an F1 with this much power, and it's all because of the modifications that has happened here under the hood. Let's take a closer look and find out what's been involved. The 572 cubic inches in Eliminator Block V8, professionally built for unparalleled power and performance. Equipped with John Casey's P51 heads, roller lifters, rockers, and a cam that has been upgraded, this engine delivers an exhilarating driving experience, complete with the Holley Dominator AFI system. There's so much to this Ford that makes it really unique and special. It takes on the classic lines of the F1 that enthusiasts absolutely love and combines it with the cutting-edge technology and high performance of the undercarriage. Custom stainless steel headers and exhausts, that's what was creating that perfect sound, while the 480E automatic transmission, the Ford 9-inch rear end, combined with a 4-link suspension, ensures smooth shifts and reliability on all 4 corners, keeping the ride smooth and responsive. The undercarriage continues with tubular upper and lower control arms, 4-wheel disc brakes, and Wilwood calipers. There is so much custom modifications on the outside. As we mentioned before, the iconic lines are still here. So even from a distance, you know exactly that this is an F1. But there is subtle touches that really give it and complete the Restomod look. And we can see that just from the grille here. The turn signals have been incorporated into the grille, and it looks like maybe it's a brushed chrome or even hints of black chrome, but it does stand out. Flushed out headlights here as well. The paint is brilliant. It's all black on black. The 1950 Ford F1 is not just a truck. It's a statement of style, performance, and high craftsmanship all in one. And that's not only it. The refurbished cab, beautiful black bucket seats, complete with polished details on the dash. And of course, you've got your upgraded gauges, vintage air controls, and a complete interior upgrade. The Restomod look continues on here. As we can see, there has been such subtle changes to the way the bed rolls out. It's not a farm truck anymore, everybody. And of course, the beautiful fat fenders have got much more of a slimmer look to it. An absolutely breathtaking Restomod. This build is look at what can happen when we take vintage lines and introduce modern day performance and high power. There has been absolutely no expense spared when it came to the build of the 1950 F1 behind me with QA1 coilovers all around. Scott's Hot Rods chassis. This was made to perform as well as look good and sound brilliant. Here is the best part. There is only 100 test miles on this truck, which means it is practically brand new. It's never been driven that much. It has been built to show, and now it's ready to sell. $79,950. Now, that's not a lot for what has happened here and the amount of work that has happened, all the metal fabrication. There is so much more involved. And of course, with that big block V8 and all the upgraded performance from the Holley Dominator EFI system to stainless steel exhaust and headers, there's a lot here. Listed for just under $80,000, a $79,950. Take this home and bring it to the next cruise in. Let's continue along and see what else is for sale here at Classic Cars of Sarasota.